workout is done. Where's Crusher? We have a competition. What's that? Crusher, what happened to you? I don't know. I just refueled. Wow! Bad fuel, probably. Let's visit Mater. Ha! Cool! Hi, Mater.
Blaze! Hi!
Wow!
Let's take a look.
I think it's not big enough for me. So,
I see. It's because of fuel. Wait for me. Not that. Not that. Oh, here it is. Done. I should simply shake and feel.
wow, it worked. Thanks, Mater. Let's go to the competition. Wait for me. Who do you think will win? Tell us below. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, yeah! I also want to do that. Wow! Oh no! You're so clumsy, McQueen. I'll show you now. Hey, Be careful. This is a kid's playground. Ha-ha! You can't catch me. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Uh-oh. McQueen, you know you're not allowed to race in town.
Yes, Sheriff.
This is your last warning. And clean this up.
I told you so. Well, where can I train then? What if we build a track outside of town? I know just the place for it. That's a great idea. Let's go. Here's the spot. Oh, what's this? Our new track. We just need to put it together. It's heavy. We won't be able to do it with just the two of us. I'll go get help. Oh, wow. It's ginormous. Lift it up. Great job! Shall we test it? Haha! Ready when you are. On your marks. Get set, go!
Francesco, look! They built a new track.
And they're not letting us use it. Awesome! McQueen, I'm hungry. Let's take a break. Yeah, all right.
They've driven off.
Look what I have. Let's see how you drive now. Want to do another lap? Yeah, but this time I'll definitely beat you. Now this'll be fun. Ha-ha! Cruz, help me! Oh, it's so sticky. I can't. Oh, now I'm stuck too.
Now the track is ours.
Storm and Francesco, this is their doing. Oh.
Wow.
How can we get out, McQueen? Use the crane. The crane? Oh, that's right. Lift him up. Put your foot down, Cruz. We did it! How did you get free? Francesco, you could have just asked to race on the track with us. You didn't need to play mean tricks. Sorry, McQueen. But it was actually, his idea.
Hey, wait up! Are you ready? I'm always ready. I'll take you down. We'll see. Wait for me. Whoa! Second lap. The loop. Wow. My turn. Good job, Blaze. Thanks, Mater. Keep on, Crusher. The final lap. I need more energy. What are you doing, Crusher? I'm getting stronger. I don't feel so good. Hey, what's going on? Who are you? Shoo! One Crusher, two Crusher. I don't understand. Move aside. Oh. What? 4 Crushers? Which is the real one? Guys, help me.
Whoa! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
I need your help. Help me. I told you don't drink so much fuel. What can we do? We have to force the other Crushers to drink this solution. I'll do it. Hey, Crushers, can you catch me?
Yeah!
Guys, what about me? Drink this special infusion. Hooray! Remember, the competitions have to be fair. I understand.